Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope you're all doing well today. In this video, we're going to take a step back from the daily noise, the short-term price action, and the emotional chaos of the markets, and instead focus on something much more important: first principles. We're going to talk about Cardano, the broader crypto ecosystem, long-term conviction, and why moments like these often separate tourists from builders. According to CoinGecko, Cardano's trading volume recently surged as high as $1.18 billion, and CoinMarketCap currently ranks Cardano as the fourth most bullish daily trending asset and number 5 in overall community sentiment. That's not nothing, especially in a market where fear dominates timelines and negativity spreads faster than facts. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing shared here should be considered financial advice. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and risky. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Now let's talk about mindset, because mindset is everything in crypto. Cardano recently said something that really stuck with me. He said, "What does it mean to be in crypto? Crypto is the punk rock of finance. We're supposed to be the outsiders, the rebels, the nonconformists. We're supposed to be different." And he's right. Somewhere along the way, especially around 2021, that original spirit got lost. Crypto stopped being about changing the world and started being about fast money, hype cycles, and exit liquidity. Charles went on to say that if you're in crypto just to get rich, you've already lost. But if you're here to build, to experiment, to meet interesting people, and to do new and meaningful things, then the journey itself becomes worth it, regardless of short-term price action. What we're seeing now is a return to first principles, a return to building during the quiet times. That alone tells you everything you need to know about where we are technologically. This is a new era, one where slow, methodical, high-assurance development is being combined with agile workflows, AI tooling, and modern engineering practices. Cardano isn't standing still. It's evolving at the forefront of advanced technology. There's also growing excitement around Midnight. Analysts believe Midnight has enormous potential due to its dual-token architecture, which enables predictable, stable operating costs for both users and developers. One of the most compelling use cases is digital identity. Midnight allows users to prove what's necessary, yes or no, without revealing irrelevant personal details. In regions like Europe, where GDPR-style privacy regulations dominate, this kind of solution could see massive demand. Again, this is the kind of infrastructure that doesn't pump overnight, but quietly reshapes entire industries. On the stablecoin front, we've received important updates about USDCX. According to Anastasia, USDCX has no clawback mechanism, and the issuance smart contracts were developed in collaboration with input-output engineering. That's a big deal. USDCX will launch directly on Cardano as a native token, and users won't need MetaMask or any Ethereum self-custody wallet to off-ramp. You'll be able to deposit USDCX directly into your USDC account on centralized exchanges through a single Cardano transaction via the Cardano X Reserve web app, which will eventually be integrated directly into Cardano wallets. That's real usability. X Reserve itself is deployed and managed by Circle. If you trust Circle, you trust X Reserve. It's that simple. USDCX represents a major step forward for Cardano and a meaningful partnership with Circle. Even though it's not native USDC, the low-key utility here is massive and will likely benefit both Cardano and Midnight in the long run. Many believe Circle is on track to become the #1 stablecoin issuer globally, and this integration strengthens Cardano's position significantly. Meanwhile, institutions continue accumulating. 855 BTC for over $75 million, now holding over $54 billion worth of Bitcoin. Binance added $100 million in Bitcoin to its SAFU fund. Tom Lee's BitMine purchased nearly $100 million in ETH. Prices may be down, but smart money is clearly active. As of now, ADA is hovering around 30 cents, Bitcoin around 78K, XRP around $1.62. It's sideways, boring, uncomfortable, but also familiar. This is where conviction is tested. I'm personally staying pragmatic, optimistic, and patient, a cautious bull, if you will. If you found value in this video, Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates. I truly appreciate every single one of you. I'll see you in the next video.